We can become strong in our faith when we don't simply follow the rituals and leave our faith at that. Many of us simply repeat the rituals every time at the appointed hours, and we don't think beyond it. This is the kind of a relationship that we have with our faith. It's a very dry kind of relationship. We can say that our faith has become a kind of an appendix in our life. Just as the appendix has no function in the human body, these days the kind of relationship that we have with our faith shows that our faith has absolutely no role in our lives. So we have to think about matters of religion. We have to think about God Almighty. What is it that God Almighty wants from us? If the first verse of the Quran is Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, which means praise be to God, the Lord of all the worlds, then what is the meaning of praise be to God? Obviously it means being thankful to God, being grateful to God. But then you reflect on your life. Are you really being thankful to God? Because these days there's a general tendency among people that they complain about every trivial thing. They complain about what somebody may have said. They complain about the weather. They complain about some person they met on the street, or they complain about their boss, their colleague. So does such a language of complaint make you also simultaneously a grateful servant of God Almighty? No, it doesn't. It makes you a person who is living in contradiction. If you're truly thankful to God, you're truly grateful to God for whatever God has given you, then at the same time you have to also develop in yourself the attitude to overlook the complaints, to overlook the unpleasant side of life, and to be able to be large-hearted enough to forgive people when they wrong you, so that you don't develop negativity in your heart. Because in that state of negativity, you won't be able to thank God. So this is how we have to look at faith, religion, and our life. We must think, are we really being true to our faith? Are we really being true to God Almighty? When we are bowing down before God Almighty in our prayer every day, 5 times a day, it means that we are submitting our will to God's will. We are giving preference to God's will over our will. But what do we do when we go back to our real life in the midst of people in society? Do we really follow what God has instructed us, or do we just follow what comes to us? Do we do what we want to do under the influence of our emotions and our desires? This is something which every believer has to understand himself or herself. He has to reflect on his faith, reflect what the Quran teaches, reflect on what kind of a character that God Almighty wants us to develop in ourselves. And if we're really developing that character, are we making the effort to do something, effort to be a person or become a personality which is worthy of being settled in God Almighty's neighborhood? So these are questions which we have to pose to ourselves, and we have to keep asking ourselves so that our faith becomes strong.